You know, food trucks these days, I mean, they come in every shape, size, form, offering all different types of food, chefs with all different kinds of background. So I'm here in the Santa Barbara area, and I'm hearing about this barbecue trailer where the chef, well, he's using a stick burner, but the dude is classically trained. Well, the thing that's kind of weird is he's only open 2 days a week. 2 days a week, and he's getting this kind of recognition. You know I gotta check it out. This is the Chef's Touch barbecue rig.
Brisket sandwich up for Vivian.
Kurt pays attention to every single detail.
Selling one brisket.
It is just the most incredible barbecue you'll ever have.
All from the back of a souped-up rig towed by real-deal chef turned pitmaster, Kurt Aldridge. You're bringing in old-school low and slow barbecue on the stick burner.
Yes.
That is the least easy thing in the world.
I serve 2 days a week. It takes me the rest of the week to get ready.
You're an animal. If this guy had a brick and mortar, he'd have a line out the door.
Absolutely.
It's my Saturday ritual. I go work out and I eat the ribs.
You work out just so you can do this.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my motto also.
The Pineapple Express is by far my favorite.
There's pastrami on it, pineapple, and then coleslaw.
Phenomenal.
So now we're into,
House-made pastrami for the Pineapple Express.
all right, let's see it,
Making the brine. So we're gonna add a little water in, salt, brown sugar, pickling spice,
with a bunch of chili darble in there. Vietnamese black pepper, curing salt.
little garlic, honey.
So let this steep, cool it down, pour it over the top of the brisket. How long are we gonna let this brine?
3 days. We'll make our dry rub for that. Gonna crush up some coriander seed, black pepper. Hold the table down, would you?
I'm trying to.
Pack it on, you know?
This will go on the smoker, again, 190.
Yep.
To what temp?
150, 160.
While this is working, what are we getting into?
Coleslaw, wangy dressing.
Is that the name?
That's the name. Mayonnaise, a seasoned rice vinegar, white wine vinegar, sambal,
Or all the ball, just doesn't have to be some. Granulated garlic,
sugar, mixy. Then we'll add banana peppers to make it a little more
a
wangy.
little more extra wangy.
Add a little bit of the dressing on there, but then we do the washing machine.
Really building up that forearm strength. What's this pineapple thing?
Golden pineapple sliced thin.
Grown in Hawaii.
Yep.
The golden pineapple really tastes like almost candy pineapple. And you're gonna smoke it
To dry that pineapple ring out a little bit and concentrate the flavors even more.
even more. I trust you.
It's kind of like pineapple bacon.
I don't trust you, actually. I'm gonna wear my seatbelt.
Cook off our pastrami and our smoked pineapple ring. House-made bun, a little sriracha mayo, coleslaw, pastrami, smoked golden pineapple.
I can smell the smoke. Smoked pastrami is delicious. Pineapple's right size, a ton of smoke on it. Fortunately, you have the wangy slaw cutting through some of the richness, some of the sweetness. It's way beyond a pastrami sandwich. It's more of a meal. It's outstanding.
Pineapple Express. The pastrami was really savory, juicy. I love all the little crispy bits that are on the outside, and then you have that sweet from the pineapple. It's like the perfect combination.